In December, Incourage and the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago hosted Investing in Healthy Communities in Wisconsin Rapids. Nearly 250 participants and speakers from across the nation attended 10 sessions during the day-long conference. It focused on health, community development, and economic development. Let's find out more.
One of the most rewarding aspects of hosting Investing in Healthy Communities has been bringing together innovators from around the country right here to Wisconsin Rapids. Rural communities are often overlooked for their innovation and commitment to future growth, and people came here. 250 people came right here to learn from us.
The principles of healthy communities really recognize a couple of things. They recognize essentially this nexus between community and economic development on one hand and public health and population health on the other. Things like educational outcomes, things like income, things like population health can be improved if people in these two areas begin to talk to one another and work well together.
The conference also introduced a unique feature that connected attendees beyond their conference sessions, the Innovation Hall.
The Innovation Hall concept is to really engage conference participants. We don't want this to be a sit and get. We wanted to allow the conference attendees in a number of different ways to interact and learn more about various projects and initiatives. We're exchanging a lot of different business cards, so that's the success.
In addition to being a conference partner with the Federal Reserve Bank of Chicago, Incourage's work was featured in several sessions during the day, including one that highlighted its Blueprints for Tomorrow program.
The Blueprints presentation today was really holding up a case study of what innovative work in a community looks like. Blueprints is about economic development and doing it differently together in a community. The projects that came out of the group that we had in Blueprints were really primarily about our downtown and revitalization of it. Blueprints, it's able to capitalize on that momentum and accelerate economic development and bringing about new practices and approaches so that we can move away from this vision of what was before in the past and looking back fondly to looking at the opportunity ahead of us.
A successful event doesn't happen without a great team effort. Our rural community shined, highlighting the connections between health, community development, and economic development.
I've been very impressed by the coalition and the number of people that Incourage has been able to bring to Wisconsin Rapids. We've had the Healthy Communities event throughout the country, and we actually have more people here today in Wisconsin Rapids than we had in New York City.
To our benefit, we have great partners across the region, across the state, and even across the nation that are all working towards models that support the kind of work that Incourage is committed to.
These coalitions that have been brought together, with a lot of the leadership that Incourage has, they are committed to the Wisconsin Rapids area, to the central Wisconsin area, in getting this economy up and running and moving forward.
As you've seen, this successful event is made possible by strong partnerships committed to creating a community and economy that works well for all. They're in. Are you in?